For editing. Okay.
Oh, look.
We'll see you up there.
These are ones are bigger.
The wild elephants that our orphans will be interacting with are our ex-orphans that have already become wild. They do play a big role in welcoming in the new orphans and introducing them to the rest of the pack. So when they're ready to go, which wild heart to join and whom to accompany with. Our keepers at these units will just only able to see the baby rhino that came in for the past few minutes. All they're trying to search for where her mother was and did not find her. So that is why they conducted us, so that we can rescue her. And when she arrived in the nursery, she could only drag both the legs in the ground. And we could not tell what had caused the paralysis. And so we had to give her some time and doing a lot of massage on both to help stop poaching. You can help stop poaching if you want. And this is right from your home and right from your country. I say ivory in the skin or in the meat. And the areas where all these animals stay should be protected, which means people should stop cutting trees and instead should plant more to preserve. Yes. Not an elephant's milk, because it is not very easy to milk a wild elephant and get the real milk. At the same time, it is not cow's milk, since cow's milk has got lots of fats, and elephants are poor in fat digestion. You feed them on cow's milk, they will diarrhea to death. Morijo, she's about 1.5 years. She was rescued from Old Mallock Conservancy in Laikipia after she had been separated from her family by human beings. Next to Morijo is Mawingu, who is 2.5 years, who was rescued from Laikipia as well after she had been separated from her family by human beings. Far end is Mukuta, meaning that he was getting weaker, and that's why we rescued him. Next to Kitiak is Weka, the one that is complaining. She also happens to be the naughtiest elephant around. She was rescued from Sava Conservation Area and a starvation victim due to drought, and that's why we rescued her. Joining us now is an elephant by the name Mashuru, and Mashuru is approximately 2.5 years.